Welcome to WorkLifeCyber. Today, I'm going to take you through how to use Excel add-ins, how to add, how to remove, and how to actually use it in your Excel reports and stuff like that. But some of these add-ins, you can also use it in PowerPoint. So, but not all of them. But I will at least show you quickly how to use add-ins. Okay, open your Excel sheet and let's begin. Go to insert. You see get add-ins. If you were using the online version, which is free, so most of these things are free online, you could just go to home and see the icon here, which is like the squared thingy. It will be at the end over here somewhere if you were using the online, and it will be home. So, or just look around or type it in the search when if you're using the online version. But go to insert, get add-ins. Get add-ins. And then here, once you're here, if you had any add-ins, it will be here. This version that I have, I only use it for tutorial, so I don't have much there. But my personal Excel account, you would have seen tons of add-ins that I am already using. So since we don't have anything, and I wanted to show you how to add add-ins, you will go to store. You can either click this one or go here. It will send you to the same place, this or that. And you can, if you have a specific add-in that you want to use, you can type it in here. But if you don't have anything and you're really just looking out here to see what can help you, please, by all means, feel free to go through all of this. Sometimes I stay within 4 stars if I'm looking for something and I see examples here. I stay within even 3 stars sometimes if I absolutely need it. So with this one, we are going to, let's just add Wikipedia. It's going to prompt you to continue. This is telling you that once you click it, you're subject to privacy policy and laws, blah, 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 blah. And then here is where Wikipedia is going to show. Now, the good thing about this is maybe let's add one more add-in so that we can test them out. So because we already have Wikipedia, if you come here to my add-ins, you should see Wikipedia here. Now let's hit refresh and see if it'll show up. There you go. Wikipedia is right here. Let's add one more, which will be just to show you how to search for it. We can do maps. And now you have different kinds of maps. I'm very familiar with this being maps. For just basic maps, if you want to show whatever report you're giving, you want to show how it looks geographically, this is a very great way to use. So now we have 2 add-ins. And like I said, you can include as many add-ins as possible and remove any add-ins that you feel like you don't use anymore. But like any other thing, we hardly unsubscribe to anything, right? We keep adding and adding. No one has time to go back and look at things that may not be used. So let's come up with any data at all. You can, if you already have a data you're using, great. But if you're just learning, I'm going to make something up. Let's say state revenue. I should have probably done this before. Expenses. Funny. All right, so we have this. Now, how are we going to use the add-ins? To be honest, you can still go to get add-ins to use add-ins, but you go here and then you click on the add-ins. It's going to pop up here. But let's say you have 20 add-ins. I don't know if they have a limit because I have a ton. And then we added map. It's not here. So just hit refresh. It's going to come up. And you wanted to see real life population, because, I made these ones up, and you shouldn't present anything to your bosses that you made up, right? So, or let's say you want fun facts from all these states, you can just use Wikipedia right here instead of going between screens and trying to figure out how typing in things. You can just copy right from here. It's going to quote what you needed. Let's say according to blah, 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 I'm not even going to read it. So let's say you want to insert this part. You read it, you like it, you want to show your viewers or your audience a little fun fact about New York. Oh, first of all, click on where you want it to be and then click add. And it's going to be here. Now format it. And then it will be here. Let's say we wanted to show a visual of how, and I use this a lot, like I said, how each of these numbers look geographically. You can go to maps, and then it's going to show you. All you would do is highlight the information you want it to be in. And there is this part where you see all of this part that's missing, and all you need to do to fix that is insert about 2 or 3 lines. And then if you do not know how to insert, let me know and I'll show you. But anyway, and then all these, because you need these icons, tools. So you are going to, let me bold in this one so that it looks like the heading or the titles. You highlight all of this, and then you click this thing here. What is it called? The location icon. Let's get rid of the sample data, and you can insert a sample data just to play around, but I already created a sample data. All right, you click this and voila, right? You can change the look of it by going here and playing around with all of these. It's really nice. So and this is how you remove add-ins. You click on your add-ins and you see all these things going on. You can either click on these 3 bubbles, or you can right click and hit remove. There you go, and boom, that's done. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.